Yeah, the high performers, they want to be the very best in their field. So they're always thinking ahead. They're always mostly about the future and planning. So decision making is a crucial factor for those people, especially, leaders. And I'm not just talking about leaders as in positional wise, people that really want to get ahead, even if they're frontline and want to develop their career. What can they do? So their habits are essentially, things like I want focus, right? How do you get focus? Well, you don't do a million things at once, right? Because if you've got a ton of things on your plate, guess what's going to suffer? The focus. So they work on true productivity. Like, how can I create focus? And what are things that are going to be the most best leverage for my time. So, for example, instead of rattling off, a whole bunch of emails and, having meetings and all that sort of stuff in one particular time, space them out in a way that works for you. So, when I've worked with a lot of people, they've had this amazing ability to create focus. So, that's one thing that we generally work on. Another one is essentially, like I said, planning and planning for the future, the long term thinking. In this day and age where we essentially want everything now, people that plan for the future and know that skills take some time as well, they're the ones that are going to essentially be successful. Just like, in the age of AI now, I often get asked, isn't AI just going to get rid of all our memory needs and whatever? And I say, hang on, let's look at the long term game because if you know how to use your brain now, if you're practicing the skills now, later on, that's going to be the most in demand skills once AI starts taking over the menial jobs. So, it's more about understanding where these skills will get you rather than saying, it's just remembering something. Yeah, that could be done by robots later on. It's not going to be needed later on. So, yeah, those high performers, they're really almost futurists in a way, understanding what they want and they have a vision, right? That's where the vision comes along. Vision is always in the future. So, if you have that vision of how you want to live your life and what you want to be able to do, then you create that. So yeah, they're the kind of things that when I've worked with high performers, they already have. We just sort of tweak that to the next level.